So this is my new purchase. This is gonna be the ARB deluxe room. Yay! I'm gonna use this for camping, and Alex and Andre are gonna help me set it up today. So this is my first time trying this. Let's see how easy it is. So it looks like Andre and Alex did it in record time. It didn't take too long. What was it, 5 minutes, guys? About 5 minutes. And ooh, look at this. It's got the mesh. So what, this rolls up? Oh, it rolls up and then ties to these top things right here. Okay, cool. And we've got like a lot of zippers. And this is the mesh for mosquitoes. How's the inside look?
It's super roomy.
Okay, so we've got the floor, which is covered, so it'll be nice when we go camping. You won't get dirty floors. And what is this?
This is the lantern.
Oh, the zipper, so we can get inside the car.
So technically,
If you lower that, can you open the door still?
yeah. I mean, if you just gotta watch out.
Oh, okay, so we still have access to the car. Very nice. Andre's over there doing something.
And I think that side opens up as a big window.
Which side?
The big side.
This side right here?
Yeah. So this side opens up as one big window. You see, that's one big screen.
Oh, okay. So that's a big window that we can open up later. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. And these bits just lock in to the awning that I already had. That piece right there, and we've got this little zipper piece that locks in on the top.
Either stake it down out like this. It has these.
Oh, okay.
Stake it down.
So you can stake it down for like a little bit of extra shade, or you can roll it all the way up. Very nice. Okay, it's fine. Forgive you for not the prettiest roll job, but we're okay. And then so this thing is basically see-through with the mesh for bugs attached to the car. Okay, so there are stakes that go down on the side, which we obviously haven't done because we're in the parking lot at a junior high school, but that looks pretty sick. And there it is. We have the ARB Deluxe room set up for our next camping trip, which is going to be July 4th weekend. I think by the time you see this video, it's already going to be past. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more Land Cruiser and Overland content, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.